Bonke abafundi bafuna ukuthola izikhala ezikhungweni eziphezulu zemfundo. Amaphesenti angu-26.7 wabafundi abathola ama-bachelor abazokwazi ukungena emanyuvesi.
The overall total enrollments within the public university sector for the 2023 academic year is projected to provide 1,112,439 spaces. That is an additional 41,545 spaces.
Njengoba sikhula kancane isidingo sokuthola imfundo ephakeme kunokukhathazeka ke ngokuthi amanyuvesi angeke akwazi ukwamukela wonke umuntu ngenxa yokugcwala kakhulu.
In this regard, we also urge students to also consider the TVET colleges as an option, but not as the last option. Because TVET colleges do programs that are only offered at TVET college program, and we want to make these TVET colleges of choice. We have also started considering the blended learning mode as an alternative to accommodate more students. What do we mean by this? We are going to be increasingly combining teaching and learning through physical contacts as well as teaching and learning through online distance methodologies.
Abafundi abaningi banengcindezi nge-NSFAS.
Current student debt is at about 16.5 billion rand. And this cost of debt is about 1.5 billion per annum.
Ungqongqoshe unxuse wonke amanyuvesi ukuba asebenzisane nemnyango i-NSFAS nabafundi ngalolu daba.
In the interim, NSFAS has agreed with all our institutions to allow all the confirmed NSFAS funded students to register for the 2023 academic year. This arrangement also applies to all students who qualify under the historic debt funds and close-out reports.
U-Nzimande uthi uhlelo lokuxhasa abafundi lizokwethula ePhalamende kunyaka. Ukubhaliswa emanyuvesi kuzovala mhla zingama-20 kuNhlolanja. Abafundi abangakwazi ukungena emanyuvesi kanye nalabo abangazithola izikhala bayacela ukuba babhalise kuma-TVET college.